I'm Dan Peterson, JCM Technical Training. In this segment, we're going to cover the updating of software to UBA 10, 14, or 24. Several things that you'll need to update software. First is the software application. That's available from order through JCM or from your distributor. Power to the UBA USB connection that you connect to your PC to the UBA, and also the JCM Tool Suite application. The JCM Tool Suite application is available from JCM's website, available for download. Load the application on your PC. Once it's loaded, apply power to the UBA, connect your USB cable into the port on the front. The JCM Tool Suite will indicate it's connected. At the top, it will give you make and model of the unit, serial number of the validator, the software that's currently installed in it, and which protocol it is running. At that point, at the bottom of the screen, you have a service mode block. There's a down arrow to the right of that block. Click on the down arrow. That will bring up the download selection. Select download, and the JCM downloader window will appear. If you're downloading the same version of software, you don't need to make any changes. If you're going to be changing to a different version, click on the Browse button. Brings up File Explorer. You can go out and select the file that you want to download. It loads in the path, the CRC, the version information. At that point, verify that the validator is online. You should have a word online in green right below the download button. If everything looks good, click on the download button. At that point, several things will happen. It will go out and check the size of the memory, make sure it's the proper size. It needs to match the file. It will do a write, read, verify, writes a block of data to the validator, reads it back, tests on the memory chip, make sure it's okay. It erases the old program out completely. Once it has finished erasing, it will start the download. There's no indication on the validator that you're getting a download. The only indication is a progress bar through the middle of the downloader screen. Also, you have a percentage of completion. Once the download is completed, it does a CRC check, signal redundancy check, adds up basically all the bits on the validator, comes up with a 4-digit number, loads that under the box that says device CRC. If that matches what read off the file CRC, it downloaded successful. It will also say download successful. At that point, you can disconnect the validator and it is set to go. Most of the time, you do not need to do a forced download mode, but there are times when you'll have to do a forced download. If you have a brand new processor board, you will need to do a forced download. Also, on some game platforms, if you're updating software on the validator while the validator is in the game, you'll need to do a forced download. To do a forced download, remove power off the validator and turn on switches 6, 7, and 8 using the dip switch pack on the front. Reapply power. The indication that you're in forced download, the red and the green LED will alternate back and forth, indicating a forced download mode. Hook up your USB cable and follow the process that you would follow for that updating software. Once it's complete, disconnect the USB cable, reset your switches back to the operating or normal position, reset power on the unit, and it's set to go. That completes the process for updating software on a UBA 10, 14, or 24. Thank you.